Practice test 17, the concept of opportunity cost. Today, let's discuss the concept of opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the value of what you give up when you choose one option over another. It reminds us that every decision involves trade-offs. For example, imagine a student deciding between studying and attending a concert. If the student studies, they gain knowledge or perhaps a better grade, but the opportunity cost is missing out on the concert. If they go to the concert, they enjoy music and time with friends, but they might perform worse on their exam. The cost of each choice is the benefit of the alternative. A second example is a farmer choosing crops. Suppose a farmer can use land for either corn or soybeans. If they plant corn, they cannot use the same land for soybeans, so their profit from soybeans is the opportunity cost. These examples show that opportunity cost applies to both personal and economic decisions. The professor explains the concept of opportunity cost. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the idea and how the professor illustrates it.